Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to open a folder in a new tab in your Windows 11. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you very advanced tutorial where you can easily open folder in new tab. So keep watching. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So stay tuned. Here we are going to open File Explorer. So friend, this is my File Explorer and here you can see lots of folders and files are available. So we want to open this folder in new tab. Okay. First we talk about what is new tab. Whenever you click on this plus icon, friend, this new explorer is open into a tab. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you how you can easily open this folder as a tab, right? So what you will do, first method, you can simply right click on it and here you will see open in a new tab. When I click on it, then automatically this docs is open in new tab. This is first method. Now I'm going to share with you second method. Okay, so first you select the folder which you want to open in new tab, then you press your mouse, you simply press your mouse wheel and this will automatically open in new tab. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a shortcut where you can easily open any folder in new tab. Okay, so what you will do, simply select the folder first and then press Control key and then enter. And when you press that, then automatically that file will open in new tab. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can open folder in new tab in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.